Gaurav respond to that.
I'll not respond to this. I'll not respond to your argument about Hindu state and Muslim state, because the world does not think like that, sir. Any educated person does not think like this. We are 57 countries. We are Muslim. You are Hindu. Nobody talks like that, sir. This is the 21st century. I mean, you're still stuck in the 14th, 15th century, sir. Hold on. I want to tell you, sir, very quickly, Arnab, 30 seconds. This is the story, Brigadier Nawaz, of two Abduls, one Indian and one Pakistani. We also had a hero called Abdul. His name was Dr. Abdul Kalam, and we are so grateful to him. And a grateful nation made him the commander-in-chief of the armed forces and the president of India. And your Abdul is in jail. Abdul Qadir,
who says,
the father of your nuclear program, is in jail because he was caught selling nuclear secrets. He was caught selling fissile material. He was caught selling nuclear technology illegally, sir. Am I right or am I right?
Wrong statement.
Our Abdul Kalam is our hero. Your Abdul Qadir Khan, you put him in jail because he was a thief. And that essentially is the story of two Abduls. One Indian and one Pakistani. And the story of two Abduls is also the story of India and Pakistan, sir. That's all I'll say. You put him in jail, sir. Jail mein hai wo. Abdul Qadir Khan ko jail mein dal diya for proliferation. What are you saying? Sir, our Dr. Abdul Kalam was a great and respected person who was the President of India and the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, sir. That is the difference. Your Abdul Qadir Khan was a thief and you put him in jail. You put him in jail. Pervez Musharraf put him in jail, sir. Pervez Musharraf put him in jail. Why did
now on the context of many people, viewers, and I'd like to bring in Ambassador Stobden. I'd like to bring in Ambassador Stobden and Andrew KP Leung. I'd like to bring in Ambassador Stobden and Andrew KP Leung. The news point today, the visuals which ran right now, those pictures of the Prime Minister in the United States today. Andrew, Ambassador Stobden. Andrew, you see, we have completely neutralized China. And the bigger problem that you will face right now, you as in China, gone are the days when the narrative of Asia was written around China. The narrative of Asia, Andrew, are you hearing me, Andrew? Can you hear me?
Yes, I am.
As you see these pictures and the kind of diplomacy in India as the power projection, thank you very much. You see, we have a growing and young population. Okay? We pushed you back when you tried to do that stunt in Ladakh. Okay? The most important thing is that you're weakening economic power. Your economic clout is weakening. You are much weaker today than before. Okay, technologically, economically, in terms of growth, right? China was, you know what you did? You were manipulating the ease of doing business rankings. You cheated. You cheated. You tried to manipulate and you were caught red-handed trying to manipulate the World Bank's group's ease of doing business rankings. Why did you have to do that? Because you are a declining economic power.